Everybody, are you all able to see the screen? Are you all able to see the screen? Join fast, join fast. Put a message for everybody. Class started. Hello, Half Moon. Hi, Soham, Gokul, Pavitra, Nishat. Chalo. Are you all able to hear properly? Are you all able to hear properly? Let's see, everybody. So, the chapter complex and quadratic. Very simple, very easy. We'll finish out fast. Nothing much is there in this chapter. First, our Euler sir, he introduced the symbol I for the positive square root of -1. So what happened is, earlier when we used to solve quadratic equation, the moment I Samiksha ma'am, we used to get -1, we used to be stuck. I said, why to be stuck in life? Figure out something. So what he said, okay, this is a complex thing and you're not able to solve, call this as I. Get the answer in form of I. Said, okay, chill. Nothing like that. So done. So I is nothing but root under of -1. So if I do I square, it will be what? Root under of -1 into root under of -1. So -1. I cube will be what? I square into I. So that is equal to -I. And I power 4 will be what? I square into I square. That is equal to -1 into -1. And that will be equal to 1. So these four values plays a very important role and you should know it. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? Chalo. Now, so these four values you do write it down, okay? Important. And then find out what is the answer of this, what is the answer of this. Clear? Chalo. So everybody got the answer, minus I. What about the down one? See here, whenever we get question like this, always break in multiple of 4 first. 39, no. So what is the nearest multiple? 36 into I power 3. 36 always multiple of 4 is what? 1. So this is vanished. Now I power 3, I already remember the value minus I. So got it. Second thing same, 1 by I power 435. So that is equal to 1 by I power, what is next nearest to it? 432 into I cube, correct. So this 432 vanished, power of 4, so vanish it. So 1 by I cube, and that is equal to what? 1 by minus I. So now we don't want to keep I in the denominator. So what you do, multiply I and I, top bottom. So what you'll get, I on top divided down, you will have minus of I square. So what you will get, I by I square is what? Minus 1. So minus 1 into minus 1, so vanished. So answer will be I, correct. Chalo, everybody got it? Chalo. Where is the Sandesh bro? Sandesh and Lohit both missing, huh? Chalo. Next. So any complex number is written in the form of A plus IB, A plus IB, where A is a real part of the complex number, real part of Z, and B is the imaginary part. Why? Because it is with I. So let's say I have a complex number 2 plus 3i. What is the real part? 2. What is the imaginary part? 3. That's it. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Chalo. Now next is, if imaginary part is 0, means I have a number 2. So imaginary part is, can I write it as 2 plus 0i? So imaginary part is 0. So it is purely real number, purely real number. Same thing, hi Lucky bro. Same thing with the purely imaginary. I just have 3i. So real part is what? 0. So purely imaginary. Clear everyone? Next. Next is algebra of complex numbers, or algebra of complex numbers. How do we add two complex numbers? Real to real and imaginary to imaginary. If two complex numbers are equal, then what do we say? Real is equal to the real part, imaginary is equal to the imaginary part. Clear? Now these all property I just want you all to go through. Once go through fast. Addition of complex number is commutative. Whether you add 2 plus 3i with 3 plus 2i, same thing, or you interchange, same thing. Addition of complex number is associative also. Okay. For any complex number, there exists another complex number which is like 0, basically 0, 0. So that is called identity. Okay. Take any complex number, let's say 2 plus 3i. If I add with 0 plus 0i, I'll get the same thing. No. Done. And for any complex number, if I take minus z, that is known as additive inverse. For 2 plus 3i, what is the additive inverse? Minus 2 minus 3i. Clear? Chalo. Clear? Let's go to the next page, students. Multiplication, again multiplication important. Let's see how do we multiply. Let's say I've taken a is equal to 3 plus 2i and b is equal to 2 plus 3i. So if I do a into b, what I'll get? 3 plus 2i into 2 plus 3i. Multiply this into this and this and this into this and this. So 3 into 2, 6, plus 3 into 3, 9i, plus 2 into 2, 4i, plus 2 into 3, 6, and I square. So 6, this is I square is what? Minus 6, plus 9i plus 4i. So what I'll get? 6 minus 6 is 0, or vanished. 6 minus 6 is 0 and 9 plus 4, 39. Clear everyone? If I do in terms of a plus ib also, so if I do z1, z2, what I'll get? AC minus BD plus I times of AD plus BC. Everybody got this part? Multiplication, do tell me. If not, I'll show it. Just multiply. Clear? Got it, everybody? They are commutative and associative. Whether you do z1, z2 or z2, z1, same thing, or z1, z2 multiply with z3, or z1 into z2 into z3, same thing. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? No reply from anybody. Everybody, you are able to understand, no? Simple concept. Do tell me yes, no. Chalo. Next. For any complex number x plus iy, there exists a complex number 1. So what happens with the 1? Okay. If I multiply with z dot 1 or 1 dot z, same thing I'll get. Clear? Next, how do we find the inverse of a complex number? Inverse is important, okay? How do we find the inverse of a complex number? See it, everybody. Z is equal to, let's say, a plus ib. I want to find what is 1 by z. So 1 by a plus ib. This you'll use to rationalize all kinds of complex numbers. So what I'm going to do, multiply with a minus ib, a minus ib. So what I'll get, a minus ib by, if I multiply a square minus I square b square, x plus y plus x minus y. So a minus ib by a square plus b square. So a minus ib by a square plus b square. This is the, so see, this is the a minus ib by a square plus b square. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? So everybody find out what will be the answer for this. What will be the answer for this? Find 1 by z. Find 1 by z. Half moon got 3 minus 7i by 58. Everybody correct? 7 square is 49. 49 plus 9, 58. Correct. Whoa, lucky wrote also proper. Real part, real side. Imaginary part, imaginary side. Good, good, good. Chalo. Good, everybody got it. Let's see the next. Let's see the next. Shom also got it. What about others? Now next. Division. Try this division. I'll erase this. See, in case of Z1 by Z2, in case of Z1 by Z2, how will we do it? How will we do it? Don't see the answer. We have Z1 A plus IB and we have Z2 C plus ID. Try to get me the answer, student. Get me the answer. C plus ID bro or C minus ID? C plus ID bro or C minus ID? Correct. Correct, everyone. Clear. Just multiply with C minus ID. Sure. Everybody got it? Very simple. Let's move on to the next one. Here, some properties are very, very, very important. Some properties very important. What is conjugate? See, if I have a complex number Z, A plus IB, the conjugate Z bar is nothing but change the sign of imaginary part. It will be A minus IB. Just imaginary, kid. Just imaginary. If I have a number Z is equal to minus 2 plus 3i, so what will be Z bar? Minus 2 minus 3i. Clear? I just change the sign of imaginary. Don't change for both. Don't change for both. Clear? Clear, students? Chalo. If I do 2 times conjugate, I'll get Z. If I take Z and Z conjugate, if I add it, I'll get real part. If I do minus, I'll get imaginary part. Okay. And if by any reason Z and Z conjugate are same, it means a number only. Like 2 plus 0i and 2 minus 0i. Same thing, no? Basically 2 equal to 2. Clear? This part 5, mark it down important. This part 5, mark it down important. I'll show how. Okay. Important for CET and COMEDK. Clear? This part and all is okay. If I have 2 plus 3i, okay, plus 3 plus 4i, conjugate 2 complex numbers, I can do it separately also. Clear? And the last property also important. If I have a power, I can do insert the power inside, and then later I can do conjugate. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? Clear everyone? Yes, no, yes, no, kids, fast. Got it till here, very simple concepts. But by this only we'll be able to solve most of the questions. Chalo. Let's go to the next part. Very important, modulus of a complex number. Very important concept, modulus of a complex number. See, if I have a complex number, z is equal to a plus ib, z is equal to a plus ib, then mod z is nothing but square root under the real part square plus imaginary part square. The real part square plus, yeah, I know it is deleted, but still just go through. Okay, it's nothing but it will be helpful for other part. Okay, so nothing is there much in this. Clear? It is like 1 minute concept, bro. So don't worry. Chalo. Yeah, it's deleted. It's deleted. A modulus part and then argon, that polar representation is also not there. Let me check modulus is there or not. 1 second. I think so. Modulus might be there. Hello. See, the modulus is there. Polar representation and all is deleted and square root is deleted. Not the modulus. Modulus is there, bro. Some. Okay. Chalo. Modulus is there. Argon plane is there. Polar representation and square root they have deleted. These two. Chalo. Now properties of complex numbers, modulus of complex numbers here, most important, this one I want you all to write, very, very, very important. This point very important. This also you can write, if you write one you will be able to understand. And the last one also you need to write. These four among all of it is very, very, very much important. Clear everyone? Write down a bit fast, write down a bit fast. Done everyone? Next, how do we represent a complex number on an Argand plane? Okay, very simple, just go through it once, I'll show you. See, let's say we have a complex number z is equal to x plus iy. Okay, so on the x-axis we represent the real part, and on the y-axis we represent the complex part or imaginary part. So let's say if this part shows me x, this part gives me y, and this is my modulus. This is my modulus. So if I want to find this, this is theta. How will I break this r vector? R cos theta. So r cos theta will be x, r sin theta will be y. So z will be equal to what? R cos theta plus I into sin theta, where r value is what? Modulus root under of x square plus y square. That's it, done. Clear? See, you'll understand more better from the questions, okay? But still, just see it once. If I have like this, I have a number 2 plus 3i, complex number 2 plus 3i. So if I want to find the modulus of this, what will be? Root under of 2 square plus 3 square. That is equal to root how much? Correct. So it is like this, r is equal to root 13. This is my x-axis, this is my y-axis. Now if I see students, if you see students, okay, if this is theta, if I want to denote this part, we have done from the projection, we have done from vectors. So if I want to, if I just take cos theta also, cos theta is equal to what? Cos theta is what? Base by hypotenuse. X by hypo is what? Root 13. Or that is equal to r also. So x is equal to, can I write r cos theta? And that is same thing as root 3, root 13 cos theta. So similar way, can I write y is equal to r sin theta? And that is equal to root 13 sin theta. Correct. So z can be written as x plus iy, and that is equal to r cos theta plus I times of r sin theta. So can I write r bracket cos theta plus I sin theta. Now student understand, see from cos I am taking the c, from I am taking I, from sin I am taking s. Can I write as r cis theta? Same thing. Cis theta means cos theta plus I times of sin theta. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? If any doubt, do tell me. If any doubt, do tell me. No doubt. Chalo. Chalo. Let's see next. Next is finding the tan theta. So when you find tan theta, okay, and theta should be from minus 180 to 80, then it is known as principal argument or amplitude. What is it known as? Principal argument or amplitude. What is it? See, I am finding tan theta is equal to what? Y by x. And theta is equal to what? Tan inverse y by x. If this value comes out, if this theta value comes out to be from minus pi to pi, okay, then we can say that it is the principal argument, okay, or amplitude. If anything, any other value, it is just argument. If it is from minus 180 to 80, 180, so it is principal argument. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Again recapping it, I can write this whole complex number in form of r cos theta and r sin theta. And if I'm finding the angle tan theta and theta is lying between minus 180 degree to 180 degree, then we say it is principal argument. It is principal argument. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Chalo. One thing, just write down this algorithm. I'll explain you how. See, instead of finding which quadrant it is lying and what will be the, what is the argument and all, what you do, simple method. Find out tan inverse, forget about all the sign, put a mod y by x. So you'll get the value of tan. Now if you see, if it is in the first quadrant, it will be same. If it is in second, 180 minus that. If it is in third, 180 plus that. If it is in fourth, put minus. That's it. I'll show you with a question also, don't worry. Just write down this value, I'll show it. Just write down, everybody write down this value. Two questions you will be able to understand very clear, don't worry. Okay. Just write down this part. Written everyone, written everyone. Clear everyone? Chalo. Now let's everybody try this question. Let's everybody try this question. You try first, then I'll show. Try first, everybody. Or do you want me to show one? I'll show one only. Root 3 minus root 1. See here, everybody, y is equal to we have this. चलो एक बार देख लो सब बच्चों ध्यान से. First step, step by step. First step, find tan alpha, and that is equal to what? Or directly we can do alpha is equal to tan inverse mod of y by x, mod of y by x. First step, this one. First find it out. What is what do you say? What is x and y? X is equal to what? The real part, so minus root 3. And y is equal to what? The imaginary part, so minus 1. So if I want to find that is equal to tan inverse, I have to take the mod minus root 3 minus 1. So what is tan inverse? What is tan inverse? Y by x I wrote, no? Yeah. Y wrote x by y. Okay. Tan inverse 1 by root 3. Can anybody tell me when tan gets 1 by root 3 value? When is the value of tan 1 by root 3? Don't worry, Shom, by this you will be able to understand. Don't worry. 30 degree. So can I write tan inverse of tan pi by 3? Oh, sorry, pi by 6. So tan got cut. So alpha we got it as pi by 6. Now check which quadrant this is. See, this shows my x and this is y axis. Here both x and y positive. In second quadrant x is negative, y is positive. Third quadrant both negative. Fourth quadrant x is positive, y is negative. So this value, this complex number is lying in the third quadrant. What I gave you the formula in the third quadrant. Everybody. Pi plus alpha in third quadrant. It is what? Pi plus alpha is what? Pi by 6. So it will be, answer will be 7 pi by 6. Clear everyone? 7 pi by 6. Clear everyone? Check it now, Soham. Check it now, Soham. Are you able to get it now? सर अगेन एक्सप्लेन क्वाड्रेंट सिलेक्शन. ठीक है, चलो एक एक करके क्वाड्रेंट सिलेक्ट कैसे किया हमने. देखो फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में x, दिस इज पॉजिटिव, ऑल नंबर्स इफ यू राइट हियर 2 3 4 पॉजिटिव नंबर्स, सो x is positive. Here also when we write positive, correct. When we come to this side of the x, this is what? Minus, negative 1, minus 1, minus 2. So x is negative, y is positive. If you go to the third quadrant, x is negative, y also negative. So if you see the value, this is my x which is negative, this is my y which is negative. So both were negative, so that's why I took third quadrant. सर थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में अल्फा माइनस पाई और पाई प्लस अल्फा. देखो अल्फा माइनस पाई भी कर सकते हो आप, फ्रॉम बैक आप आ जाओगे, और पाई प्लस अल्फा करोगे वो भी हो जाएगा. ठीक है, बट गो विथ अल्फा प्लस पाई, इट विल गिव यू द फीलिंग दैट इट इज लाइंग इन द थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट. क्लियर? अल्फा माइनस पाई मतलब हम लोग इधर से जा रहे हैं. और अल्फा प्लस पाई मतलब इधर से जा रहे हैं, ठीक है। चलो, गॉट इट एवरीवन, गॉट इट एवरीवन, समझ आया बाकी बच्चों को? एवरीबॉडी गॉट इट? यस नो, यस नो? If you have got it, अच्छा got it. If you have got it, then try this, try this. So what are the answers you got? Pi by 3 minus pi by 3, pi by 6. Okay. Let's see it first. The first one, it will be what? Theta is equal to tan inverse mod of y by x. Y is what? This one. So minus 2 by 2 root 3. So that is equal to what? 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 when we get 60 degree. So theta is equal to what? Pi by 3. Now which quadrant? X is positive, y is negative. One is positive, one other is negative. Correct. It is in the fourth quadrant. So fourth quadrant what we have? Minus pi by 3. Correct. The other one, 3 minus 1.5 I. So theta is equal to tan inverse 3 minus 1.5 by 3. So that is equal to 1 by 2. Do we get any value of half in tan inverse? So here it will be difficult. We'll just change the value. Okay. We'll root 3. So we'll get 1 by root 2. So that will be 45 degree pi by 4. Now which quadrant? Positive, negative. Again fourth quadrant. So minus pi by 4. Clear? Clear everyone? Yes, no, yes, no. I just changed the question, okay, because the values are not coming. Otherwise, you have to use psi or what is a tan table. That's why. Clear? Chalo. Got it, everyone? Now, polar representation is not there, okay, but it's same thing. What I showed you, okay. Nothing change in that. Same thing. Z equal to x plus iy, r cos theta plus I sin theta, r into cos theta plus I sin theta. Same thing. Nothing change. Now, this part I want everybody to write it down. Then I'll explain. When I multiply a complex number with iota or I, what is the change happening? We get a lot of questions from this part. COMEDK also, CT also. Do write it down, everybody, fast. Written students, yes, no, yes, no. Fast. Nobody wrote any message. Wow. Come on, come on, come on, students who all are there. Come on, fast, 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 fast. So let's see and understand here what we are talking about is okay. Chalo. See, whenever I'll give you the gist, you need to know the gist. Whenever I multiply a complex number with I, okay. So what happens is the argument of the complex number, the argument, see, the modulus remains same, but the argument of the complex number gets shifted by 90 degree, gets shifted by or increased by 90 degree. So this much only we know. We need to know. Whenever we multiply a complex number with iota or I, modulus remains same. First point, modulus remains same. And number two, what changes? Argument gets increased by 90 degree. Argument gets increased by 90 degree. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Got it? Chalo. Let's see the next part. We can also state it, multiplication of a complex number by I results in rotating the vector joining the origin to the point representing z through a 90 degree. Means if I have a vector here, now what I'll do, I'll just rotate it 90 degree. I'll rotate it. This is my z1 vector. This is theta. So now this one will be what? 90 plus theta. So it is just rotated by 90 degree. Just rotated by 90 degree. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Where did other go? Others people, where did it go? Fast, fast, fast. Chalo. Now Eulerian form, few questions you can see in Eulerian form also. If I have z is equal to a plus ib, I can write z is equal to r into e plus I theta, e power I theta. Same thing. Whether you denote the complex number by this or this, same thing. Okay. See, e power I theta means what, student? It means just cos theta plus I sin theta. Cos theta plus I sin theta, he gave a new term that I'll show it by e power I theta. So if I multiply with r, what I'll get? R cos theta plus I sin theta. Now if I want to do the conjugate minus I, so just only conjugate part, only the, what do you say, imaginary part, one minus sign will come. Clear? So 10 minutes break. Okay. Everybody take a break. Okay. We need a break also. I also need it. After that, De Moivre's one formula, cube roots of unity, quadratic equation, done. 4-5 pages are there. It will be done and then PYQ. Okay. Chalo. Take a break, everybody. Will be right back in 10 minutes. Make it 15, okay? But not more than that. Yeah, bachcho, let's see. Chalo. First, we were discussing about Eulerian form. Okay. Again, let me just recap a bit. So z is equal to a plus ib. Now, if I want to write z, same complex number in form of e, so what I do, this e power I theta means what, student? Very simple. Just keep it in mind. Sir, cos theta plus I sin theta. That's it. Any complex number z is what? R cos theta plus R IR sin theta. So I can take R common, R into cos theta plus I sin theta. So if I see, this is nothing but R e power I theta. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Got it? Now D Mobius said something which is very important. What he said is, if I have cos theta plus I sin theta whole power 10, what I can do? I can just put it cos 10 theta plus I sin 10 theta. That's it. That's it. क्वेश्चन पीवाईक्यू में हम देख लेंगे, टेंशन मत लो। सो हम क्वेश्चन जो है पीवाईक्यू में आपको दिख जाएगा, ठीक है। सिंपल और इजी क्वेश्चन है, बट पीवाईक्यू में इसके बाद जस्ट 2 मिनट का है, उसके बाद पीवाईक्यू स्टार्ट करेंगे तो उसमें आपको दिख जाएगा, ठीक है। गॉट इट एवरीबॉडी? दिस पार्ट एंड दिस पार्ट इंपॉर्टेंट। डिमोवियस मीन्स ये दिस पावर विल कम इनसाइड, दिस पावर विल कम हेयर एंड हेयर, दैट्स इट, नथिंग मोर देन दैट। सो cos n थीटा प्लस I sin n थीटा। क्लियर एवरीवन? चलो chalo everybody, let's see next page. This formula for COMEDK student, just write down the square root formula, though for CET square root is not there, but the formula is very simple. If I want to find the square root of this complex number, that is, take the mod root under square root under mod z plus a by 2 plus minus I root under mod z means modulus minus a by 2. That's it. That's it. Shortcut formula. Just do write it. In case KCT goes haywire, you can do it. In case KCT goes haywire, you can do it. That's it. Write down fast, everybody. चलो बच्चों, डन। रिटर्न बच्चों। Chalo everybody, let's see. Next, cube roots of unity. You have heard a lot of name. They are very popular. Okay, in demand in the market. Okay, so roots of unity is basically if I say x cube is 1. So what I can say, x cube minus 1 is equal to 0. So if I find the solution, I'll get three solutions. One is 1. The other is this big body minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. And the other is this small body minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. Okay. So this is 1. This is called omega and this is omega square. The negative one is omega square. The positive one is omega. So three cube roots of unity are there. 1 omega and omega square. If I add all three, 1 plus omega square is always 1. A lot of determinants, matrices question, other places, you will get this formula. Okay, 1 plus omega square is 1. Clear? Now, if it is come in this form also, 1 plus omega square plus omega power 2r, and r is a multiple of 3, then also it is 0. Like 1 plus omega square plus 6, omega power 6, again it is 0 only. Clear everyone? Again it is 0 only. Clear? Clear everyone? Yes, no, who all is there? Okay, fast. Chalo. Clear? Chalo. And if r is a if r is not a multiple of 3, then it is 0. If r is a multiple of 3, then the value will be 3. Clear? Just one second. Don't get confused. I just said a bit opposite. 1 plus omega square plus, if r is not a multiple of 3. So we have what? If I write 2, this will be equal to 0. But if r is a multiple of 3, this will be equal to 3. Clear? Chalo. Clear? Next, omega power 3 is 1, omega power 3 power r is 1, omega power 3 plus 3 power r plus 1 is equal to what? You can easily solve omega power 3r into omega. So this is what? 1. So 1 into omega is what? Omega. So same thing, just like iota we used to do, same here. Clear? A very rare case they'll ask, the cube roots of unity lie on a unit circle. Is basically they lie like this. These are the three cube roots of unity. They lie on a circle whose radius is 1. And they lie, all 3 points lie on the circumference. You just need to know this. Cube roots of unity, they represent what? They represent 3 points on the circumference of a circle. Okay. Whose radius is 1. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Chapter is done. Chapter is done. Let's go for the PYQ. Let's go for the PYQ. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Clear everyone? The chapter is done. Nothing more is there. Cube roots of -1 is just this one. I gave it for the, what is it, mugging up part. If you want, you can just write it. No issues. This chapter is done. Quadratic equation, students, what we have? Ax square plus bx plus c if the roots are alpha and beta. So earlier we used to get stuck by minus. So now whenever we are getting stuck, put a I. Whenever you are getting square root -1, you put a I. That's it. And these all you know. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, sum of the roots. Alpha beta is equal to what? C by a. You all know it. Okay. For a cubic, alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. Alpha beta, beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to c by a. Alpha beta gamma is equal to minus d by a. Do you want me to explain in details or you all know it? This quadratic equation which you have done in class 10th, you all know it or you want me to explain it? Do tell me fast. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Know it, know it. Chalo, chalo. Good, good, good. So can we start the PYQ? Can we start the PYQ? Let's get it done. PYQ प्रारंभ किया जाए बच्चों, चलो। चलो 7 से सेमीकंडक्टर्स था, ये तो था। चलो तो थोड़ा फास्ट कर लो बच्चों, थोड़ा फास्ट कर लो, ज्यादा क्वेश्चंस नहीं है। पहला क्वेश्चन मस्त बिंदास क्वेश्चन है बच्चों, थोड़ा सा अच्छे से ट्राई करो। कैसे सॉल्व करोगे बताओ जल्दी से। Everybody, can we do option check and solve it, or can we have to do another method? Do tell me fast. Do tell me fast. चलो इस क्वेश्चन के लिए एक ट्रिक बता देता हूं बच्चों आप लोगों को। इस क्वेश्चन के लिए आप लोगों को एक ट्रिक बता देता हूं मैं। Anybody able to solve this question? First, forget about everything. Simplify this part. Simplify this part. 1 plus I by 1 minus I. Simplify it. Fast, 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 students. If you simplify, you'll get the answer. If you simplify, you get the answer. Come on, students, fast. See, students, if I simplify 1 plus I by 1 minus I, 1 plus I. So what I'll get here, multiply 1 plus I square plus 2I by 1 square minus I square. So what you'll get, I square is minus 1, this is 1, so gone. So 2i by 2, this is 1, 2i by 2, so we got I. So when is I power x equal to 1? When the value of x is equal to what? In terms of 4, multiples of 4. So which is that option? D option. Which is that option? D option. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? So you can keep in mind this kind of question key will keep repeating. Wherever we have 1 plus I by 1 minus I, that is equal to I. Clear? Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Chalo, chalo. Very simple, very easy. Next question. Now this question, everybody see it. First, what you need to understand, we need to remember what is mod z formula. Mod z, what I told you, real part square. Mod z, if I have z is equal to x plus iy. So mod z is equal to what? X square plus y square. That's it. So how will we solve? They have given mod of z plus 1. Z is what? X plus iy plus 1 is equal to z minus 1. X plus iy minus 1. That's it. They have only written, no. So now what is the real part? Here what is the real part? X plus 1 plus iy. Here it is equal to x minus 1 plus iy. Correct. So this is the real part here. This is the real part here. So if I want to do the modulus, what I'll get? Square root of x plus 1 whole square plus y square is equal to this side square root of the real part square plus the imaginary. Now remove the square root, gone, square it. So what you'll get if you solve it? X square plus 1 plus 2x plus y square. This side x square plus 1 plus minus 2x by plus y square. So y square went home, x square went home. So what we got? 4x equal to 0. So x equal to 0, a straight line, or x equal to 0 is which line? Y axis. X equal to 0, which line, students? Y axis. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Come on everybody, PYQs is going on, come on fast. Clear everyone? Got everyone? Got everyone? Chalo, clear everyone? Do not see the question and get scared. What they have done, in place of z, they have given mod of z plus 1. So in the real part, add 1. In place of mod, this side they have given z minus 1. So in the real part, add minus 1. Done. And solve it. Clear everyone? How you got x plus 1? See bro here. See this z is x plus iy. I have to get z plus 1. So x plus iy plus 1. So 1 is real, x is real. What will happen? What will happen? The real part of this complex number is what? X plus 1. And the imaginary part is what? Iy. Got it? Got it? Got it, half moon? I brought the real part together, bro. Nothing more than that. Clear? In second step, oh sir, got it. Good. Chalo. 2019, a very simple, very easy question on the screen. Do it fast, students. Come on. Let's say we have to make up for the time. Alpha and beta, the square roots of the quadratic equation, x square plus x plus 1. You have to find the value of alpha square, beta square. Very simple. Very simple. What you have to do? See, first write down alpha plus beta whole square is what? Alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. Alpha plus beta is what? Minus b by a. What is b here? 1. What is c here? 1. What is a here? 1. Minus b by a is what? Minus 1 by 1 square is equal to alpha square. I don't know. Beta square. I don't know. 2 into alpha beta. Alpha beta is what, students? C by a. C by a is also 1. So alpha square plus beta square is equal to what? 1 minus 2. So that is equal to minus 1. Clear everyone? Not more than 30 seconds you will need for these questions. Not more than 30 seconds, okay? Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Check it, just basic class 10th, quadratic, nothing more. They have given in CET, huh? Correct? Alpha plus beta whole square is what? Alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. Alpha beta is what? B minus B by A. And alpha beta is what? Sorry, alpha plus beta is what? Minus B by A. Alpha beta is what? C by A. That's it, done. Clear? Let's see everybody in the next question. See, just now we did this question. Just now we did this question. There, understand student, if it is positive and down negative. Okay, first, okay, not to give it like this. Simplify this one. Can I simplify I minus 1 by I plus 1? Can I simplify? Everybody simplify fast. What will I do? 1 minus I, 1 minus I. Correct. So what I'll get? I plus I square, 1 plus I square minus 2I. Correct. By down what I'll get? B correct is home. Down what I'll get? 1 square minus I square. That is also 2. So what we got on top, student? What we got on top? Minus I. This and this cancelled. This and this cancelled. And this if you divide minus I you will get. So minus I power 96 is what equal to what? A plus IB. So I know any power of 4 is will be what? Any power of 4 will be what? 1. So 1 is equal to A plus IB. So real part will be equal to real. So A equal to 1. Imaginary not there. So B 0. Clear? 1 comma 0 everyone. 1 comma 0 everyone. Got it? Got it बच्चों? Chalo everybody, next question, very simple on the screen. Come on, fast students. If by going fast, if anybody is not able to understand, do tell me, okay? Chalo, everybody, I power n plus I power n plus 1 plus I power n, what is n plus 2 plus I power n plus 3, last is 3. So in all this question, what do you do? Take common, I power n, you take 2 common. So 1 plus I square plus I cube, correct? So I power n, I square and I gone, I cube is minus I, this and this gone, so 0, correct? So answer will be 0. Option has to be there. Option is not given. 0, 1, minus 1 I. Clear? Option wrong, या इसका option 0 होगा, ठीक है? चलो सभी बच्चों को समझ आया ये वाला क्वेश्चन? एवरीबडी गॉट दिस क्वेश्चन? चलो everybody, good. चलो next question, 2016. A very simple, easy question. Do not get scared by this question. Just simplify it. Just simplify it. What do you do? Power minus 1 is there. Power minus 1 is there. What I'll do? 1 by 1 minus cos theta plus I sin theta. Now what do you have to do? Rationalize. Now what do you have to do? Rationalize. This is my real part. This is my imaginary part. So what I'll do? I'll multiply with 1 minus cos theta minus I sin theta. 1 minus cos theta minus I sin theta. Clear? So I'll get on top 1 minus cos theta minus I sin theta, and down what I'll get if I square it? 1 square plus cos square theta minus 2 cos theta, and here minus I square sin square theta. Correct? So if you see on top 1 minus cos theta minus I sin theta, and bottom what you'll see? Cos square theta, I square is what? Minus 1. I square is what? Minus 1. So if this is minus 1, 1 minus, so minus minus cancelled. So 1 plus, cos square theta plus sin square theta is what? 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. So 2 minus 2 cos theta. Clear everyone? 2 minus 2 cos theta. Clear everyone till here? सर लाइट कब होगा? लाइट तब होगा जब थोड़ा अंधेरा हो जाएगा सर. जस्ट किडिंग, टुमारो, कल होगा, ठीक है? चलो, so what we got student here? यहां तक आ गया मुझे। अब देखो उसने क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा, व्हाट दे हैव आस्क्ड द क्वेश्चन, रियल पार्ट बताना है। तो रियल पार्ट क्या होगा, रियल पार्ट को ले लो, दिस इज माय रियल पार्ट, इमेजिनरी को हटा दो। सो व्हाट आई गॉट 1 माइनस कॉस थीटा बाई 2 कॉमन ले लो, 1 माइनस कॉस थीटा, तो ये चले गए घर, तो आंसर क्या हो गया, हाफ। कुछ था क्या, बताओ। एवरीबडी गॉट इट? हाय हर्ष, टुमारो विल डू लाइट एंड वेव, डोंट वरी। 1/2 correct, half moon. Got it everybody? Got it everybody? Chalo. Can we move on to the next part? Yes, yes. Good, good, good. Anybody has doubt? Do not hesitate to ask doubt, okay? Sir, why this step, not this step? Okay. Do ask. If not, it will take just 1 second to explain. See, we got this whole complex number. We just needed what? The real part. So real part means everything except the I part. So remove that, we brought it. We took 2 common down, top and bottom became same, we cut it. Clear? Chalo. Come on students, tell me this answer, this you can do it. Let's see who does fast, me or you. Come on, let's see. Though I'm doing slow, huh? Alpha plus beta whole square equal to alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. So alpha plus beta is what? Minus b by a. So what is my b? Minus a. So minus b is what? Minus b is what? A. And a is what? 1. So minus b by a means a by 1 whole square equal to alpha square plus beta square. आ जा रहे उस क्वेश्चन पे भी, डोंट वरी. 2 into alpha beta is what? C by a, b square. So done. So alpha square plus beta square is equal to what? A square minus 2b square. चलो आंसर सी हो गया. चलो डी कैसे हो गया ब्रो? जयदीप डी कैसे हो गया? ए प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर का फॉर्मूला भूल गए ब्रो? चलो एवरीबडी गॉट इट? चलो yeah, so we'll come to the conjugate of a complex number. Done. Chalo. Try this one fast. Try this one fast. If 1 omega omega square are the cube roots of unity, just need to multiply and get it done. Just need to multiply and get it done. Nothing is there in this question. Nothing is there in this question. See, you should remember what? 1 plus omega square is what, sir? 0. Then multiply these two. Just plain simple multiply. Sir, 1 minus omega plus omega square into 1 plus omega minus omega square. Multiply it, what I'll get? Now, if I want to make it more shorter, what I'll do? I'll use my brain. I'll use my brain. Why I'll use here? 1 plus omega is what, sir? 1 plus omega square, if I want to find, is what? Minus omega. See how easily I got 1 plus omega square is what? Minus omega. And 1 minus omega was already there. Now 1 plus omega is what? Minus omega square. So minus omega square minus omega square. So what I got? Minus 2 omega minus 2 into minus 2 omega square. Minus minus went home 4 omega cube. So answer is 4. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? What I did is 1 plus omega square is given as 0. The moment I saw 1 plus omega square is there in the first part, I can write it as minus omega. And in the second part, 1 plus omega is equal to what? I'll send this that side, minus omega square. I just substituted it, I got the answer. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Yes, no, bachcho. Clear everyone? चलो सबको क्लियर है, किसी को डाउट होगा तो बताना, स्किप नहीं करना है बच्चों, स्किप नहीं करना है, ठीक है। चलो ये एनसीईआरटी का क्वेश्चन है, ट्राई करो। चलो नहीं आया वो वाला, कहाँ चला गया, नहीं आया तो बताओ, पूछो तो एक बार सवाल से, कहाँ चला गया बेचारा, ठीक है। हाँ सवाल से एक बार पूछ लेना। चलो वी ऑल रिमेंबर व्हाट, 1 प्लस ओमेगा प्लस, चलो जोक्स अपार्ट, ओमेगा स्क्वायर इक्वल टू व्हाट लड्डू, 1 plus omega square equal to what laddu. So if I want to find what is 1 plus omega, I can write minus omega square, and what is 1 plus omega square, that is equal to minus omega. So can you spot 1 plus omega square here? Can I rearrange this and write 1 plus omega square minus omega, and can I rearrange, this is rearranged only, 1 plus omega minus omega square. So just now students, I got the value 1 plus omega square is what, minus omega. So minus omega, and 1 plus omega is what, minus omega square. So minus omega square minus omega square, तो क्या हो जाएगा बच्चों, -2 ओमेगा इंटू -2 ओमेगा स्क्वायर, माइनस माइनस कट हो गया, 2 इंटू 2 4 एंड ओमेगा क्यूब हो गया, एंड ओमेगा क्यूब हमें पता है क्या होगा 1, सो 1 इंटू 4 कितना हो जाएगा बच्चों 4। सही समझ आया? सो हम, डिड यू गेट इट नाउ, डिड यू गेट इट नाउ ब्रो? कहाँ चले गए ब्रो जल्दी? यस सर, गुड। वो 3 इडियट्स का डायलॉग याद है, गड्डी भेजी तो भाई गई कितने, रनवे पे। चलो लेट्स सी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, लास्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर 2014, फास्ट एवरीबॉडी। सर कंजुगेट करना चाह रहे थे, सो हम सर कंजुगेट का क्वेश्चन आपके पास, इसके बाद एक और क्वेश्चन कराएंगे, दिस इज ऑल डन फुल, वट एवर काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन आई थिंक सो नाउ यू विल बी एबल टू टेक इट। here everybody what you need to see, mod z square is equal to z dot z bar. This is very important. You have done for NCERT for class 11th. Mod z square is equal to z dot z bar, z dot z bar. So what you do, square it. So what you do, square it, I'll square it, simple as it is, okay. So what I'll write, चलो उसको थोड़ा छोटा कर देते हैं, so mod of beta minus alpha by 1 minus alpha bar beta whole square equal to what I can write, this is my z, okay, inside is my z, so z is what, beta minus alpha by 1 minus alpha bar beta into the conjugate of that, beta minus alpha by 1 minus alpha bar beta whole conjugate. Clear? Just check this line, this everybody got this or not? आवाज अगर आने में दिक्कत हो रही, थोड़ा गला बैठ गया बच्चों, चलो थोड़ा स्पीड बढ़ाओ बच्चों, चलो ठीक है सर, चलो for those kids who are not able to attend the class because of internet and other issues, do watch the recording, okay, and you can watch it at 2x speed, it's good, chalo. But try for live, because here you will be able to ask doubts there. If doubt is there, you'll say like, I'll ask, I'll be, from my side it might be delay, then if that doubt exists and you go to exam, better is do the live part, okay, chalo. So everybody, सबको यहाँ तक समझ आ गया, ये line तक, what I have written, this whole thing is, I have taken this whole part as z, so this is like this: mod z square equal to z dot z bar. This is my z dot z bar. Clear? Now what I'll do, beta minus alpha by 1 minus alpha bar beta. Now I'll insert the conjugate inside. So it will be beta bar minus alpha bar by 1 minus alpha into beta bar. Clear? I just put it inside. I just brought it inside. So now what I'll do, I'll just do plain multiply. I just do plain multiply. So beta minus alpha into beta bar minus alpha bar, and down we have 1 minus alpha bar beta into 1 minus alpha beta bar. Multiply. So multiply, what you will get? You will get mod beta square. See, beta into beta bar is equal to what? Mod beta square. Correct. Just now you wrote no, z dot z bar equal to mod z square. Z dot z bar equal to mod z square. So beta into beta bar is equal to mod beta square. Okay. Plus alpha mod alpha square. Correct. Minus alpha beta bar minus alpha bar beta. Correct. Whole divided by, down multiply, 1 minus alpha beta bar minus alpha bar beta plus mod alpha square mod beta square. Clear? Clear? Now they have already given, what they have given? That beta is 1, that beta mod beta square is 1. Okay. So what will mod beta square is what? 1. So can I write 1 plus mod alpha square minus alpha beta bar minus alpha bar beta by 1. This again becomes 1 plus mod alpha square minus alpha beta bar minus alpha bar beta. See, top and bottom same thing. Can I cut? Top and bottom same thing. Can I cut? I'll get what? Mod of beta minus alpha by 1 minus alpha bar beta whole square is equal to 1. So if I remove the square also, it still be 1 only. Clear everybody? Clear everyone? Take your time for this. This is done. We are done with complex numbers and quadratic. Clear everyone? Where is Karthike? Clear everyone? Chalo. Anybody doubt? Anybody doubt? Do tell me. Anybody doubt? Do tell me. Optics will take time, bro. Optics will do in a fresh mind tomorrow. Both ray and wave. Okay. बोलो पर्सनल डाउट क्या है बोलो. Next class timing. Put it, what do you say? Because we got a bit delayed. So right now 7:30, no? 8:15 you put it up. Next class 8:15. बोलो सोम, what is your personal doubt? SRM यूनिवर्सिटी में रैंक आएगा सर, जाऊं कि नहीं? देखो SRM ओके, बहुत अच्छा नहीं है, ठीक है, बट ओके, खराब भी नहीं है, और लेना क्या चाह रहे हो उस पर भी डिपेंड करता है. अगर CS लेना चाह रहे हो बच्चों, तो कहीं भी कोई भी यूनिवर्सिटी में आप जाके कर सकते हो, क्योंकि कंप्यूटर साइंस के लिए क्या लगता है, सिर्फ एक डब्बा, लैपटॉप और कोडिंग, अगर कोडिंग करना चाह रहे हो, ठीक है. और बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं कि नहीं, कोडिंग अगर CS लेना चाह रहे हो तो जा सकते हो, कोई बहुत बड़ा इशू नहीं है. हाँ, जैसे कोई मैकेनिकल के लिए जा रहा है, कोई ऑटोमोबाइल्स के लिए जा रहा है, तो इन दैट केस क्या होता है, उनको वो इंजन, वो पार्ट सारा कुछ लगता है, तो अच्छे कॉलेज में ये सारी चीज़ें अवेलेबल होती है. बट CS के लिए ठीक है, आपको लाइव टॉप के लेक्चर्स जो है वर्ल्ड प्रोफेसर्स के ये यूट्यूब में भी मिल जाएंगे. आपको MIT के, ठीक है, हार्वर्ड के सारे टॉप लेक्चर आपको यूट्यूब पे भी पढ़ाते हैं, तो वो आपको मिल जाएगा. तो CS के लिए उतना सोचना नहीं। बट क्या एक इन्वायरमेंट अच्छा, अगर जैसे आरवी गए तो एक अच्छा इन्वायरमेंट बन जाता है। क्या है, सारे बच्चे स्टार्टअप का सोच रहे हैं, कुछ नया कोड करने का सोच रहे हैं, कुछ नया सॉफ्टवेयर क्रिएट करने का सोच रहे हैं। सो दैट इन्वायरमेंट वो थोड़ा सा, बाहर बच्चे गए खाली मस्ती कर रहे, ठीक है, मस्त दारू पी रहे मस्ती कर रहे, ठीक है, तो ये भी हो जाता है, खाली पार्टी चल रहा है। तो ये थोड़ा सा इशू है, वो ध्यान रखना है। अगर आप जाके बिगड़ सकते हो तो थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखना है, ठीक है। चलो, क्लियर एवरीवन। चलो, लेट्स सी यू अगेन आफ्टर 8:15। चलो, मिलते हैं फिर बच्चों। और शेयर कर देना बच्चों क्लास के लिए, ठीक है, चैनल के लिए सारे अपने फ्रेंड्स में, ठीक है। चलो।